Well, most places it's quite warm. I wouldn't be shocked if there were places where it's exceeding 100. This is what we are experiencing here in Portland. I think it's maybe 70, 68, 65 at the coldest. Um, it's nice. I actually enjoy weather like this. It's just 9 months of it gets old. Um, the cat. Oh, kitty. Meow. No, don't run. This cat doesn't like me. She's kind of shy of most. But you might have seen the rain in her pond and back at the beginning of this video. There's my car. The white Pimpmobile Ford Escort. So yes, it has been quite wet lately. Don't you think so, cat? See, she's not so bad. Anyway, I thought I would just share the awesome, beautiful sunshine that we experience all year round. It's sarcasm.